Hi everybody, it's Holly Hobbyist back with another soap making video. We're going to be making unicorns today. And this is going to be scented in Volcano. It's a Capri scent. Anthropology actually sells candles in this. It smells amazing. So for our base, we're going to do tall and skinny. It works better for the piping. So my soap base is my typical recipe, and we're going to just do a little, like one strip of color. So their bars are going to be primarily white, and then we're going to do lots of soap piping after they're set up. So enjoy the video, and then I'll be back to explain what I'm doing with the piping. Alrighty, so I have my soap piping mixed up here. And basically what you're looking for to see when it's ready, do you see how I'm like pushing it aside with my spatula and it stays in place? It's not moving, it's not falling down, it's holding a really nice shape. So this is how we kind of know we're ready to pipe. So I'm going to get this in my piping bag. I have a couple different tips I'm going to use. I'm going to use the pink as my main, well, my main, and my tail. And the purple and blue are going to be little accents. So they're going to be like a small star tip. They're just generic tips that I got. Um, yeah, so I don't even have numbers for them. So I can't, they're just small star tips. I'm sorry. Um, so these are our cut bars. Not really sure what's going on with the camera. And what we're going to do is pipe on top of them. As you can see, I'm kind of already got started. I'm making like the main. When I say mane, I hope anybody who has horses know what a mane is. It's their hair. So the hair and the tail out of the pink and the purple and the blue, I'm just going to make little star accents. And then I have soap dough ears to go on top and a melt and pour horn. So basically, I'm just starting at the top and kind of pulling it down just over the top of the bar in a kind of like a wave motion to simulate. I'll get my words right. Simulate the hair, the flowing, beautiful locks. So once we get all these, the main color piped on, then we can do the accents and put the embeds in. Now, I will warn you ahead of time, these get heavy and cumbersome, so you kind of got to watch when you're putting your stuff on them that you don't knock them over because you're going to muck up your piping, because I've done that. So, ask me how I know. Alrighty, so I'm going to fast forward through some of this because you kind of get the idea. You've seen me do a couple of the ones slow-mo. It's really just kind of your preference as to what you want it to look like. It kind of looks a little gaudy right now, but the finished bar looks a lot better. And some people only do like, you can do like a little swirl of a rosette. You don't have to do as much as I did on mine. So anyway, enjoy.